Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Uchenna. In this video, I'm going to show you YouTube channels that will make you pro video editor in less than 30 days. So without wasting much time, let's jump on it. The first channel is Adobe in a Minute. The channel covers everything from Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and After Effects. What I love about the channel is that it goes straight to the point, just as the name is, Adobe in 1 minute. So it covers everything as simple as possible, no ads and no too much talk. Goes right to the point to teach you whatever it has to teach you. As you can see, it has over 649 videos, meaning that you can literally find any type of tutorial that you're looking for regarding Premiere Pro, CapCut, After Effects, Photoshop, name it. Anything that has to do with video editing, the channel covers it very well. The next on my list is Justin Odisho. Justin Odisho is also one of those YouTubers who has helped a whole lot of people learn video editing very well. As you can see, he has over 1 million subscribers and 1.4k videos uploaded. So that tells you that the guy knows his stuff. He has a whole lot of videos on Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Photoshop. He also has a podcast where he talks about his personal journey. So if you're just starting out as a video editor, a YouTuber, you would want to keep a tab on this particular channel. He has everything that will take you from a beginner level to a pro editor in less than 30 days. All you just have to do is to commit to it. The next on my list is Premiere Girl. Premiere Girl is one of those ladies in the industry that is really hitting it hard. She has covered a whole lot of things. As you can see, she has around 544 videos uploaded on her channel. So you can find everything and anything about Premiere Pro and After Effects. And as a beginner, I will encourage you to keep a tab on this particular channel, because by constantly going to this channel, you will definitely find a whole lot of tutorials that can upgrade your editing skill in no time. You can go through her playlist to see the things that she covers. She has tutorials on color, AI tools, live videos, Photoshop, sound, and audio. To be frank with you, most of the things you know today, I actually learned it from this particular channel, because these were the very first ones that I started with, even before I discovered Justin Odisho's channel. So she knows her stuff and she's good at delivering it. The next one is Finza. Finza is also one of those YouTubers that are really doing great in delivering the knowledge they have acquired over the years. What I love about Finza is that he does it in a fun and engaging way. When watching Finza's video, you never get bored, because there's always things to spice it up, and he has a wide range of tutorials that can actually make you a good editor in less time. All you just have to do is to go through his playlist and find the ones that actually meets your need and begin to consume them. He has a whole lot covered on video editing, so you should also add this channel to your video editing arsenal. The next one is Vince Opera. This is also one of those channels that I started with because I found his tutorials easy to digest, and he has a whole lot of tutorials on Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and After Effects, and he has a few on CapCut. But currently, Vince is diverting from video editing in particularly to teaching people how to start content agency and scale it. So most of his content are actually focusing on that area currently. The next is Filmbot. Here again, you will find a whole lot of tutorials on video editing. So these are basically the channels that you should keep handy as a beginner who is trying to wrap his head around video editing, content creation, and all of that. So with this particular channel, you never need a personal tutor again. You have your guide. You can always run to them and look for anything and learn. That is actually how I learned. I kept this particular channels very close to me. Each time I need anything, I quickly run to these places and search for those things, and it's really helped me a great deal, and I still keep them very close because I am still learning and evolving. So if you find this video helpful, do well to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. This actually encourages me to create more videos, knowing that people are enjoying the content that I'm putting out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.